Are you struggling with the appearance of your teeth? Maybe your teeth are failing. Maybe you can't eat your favorite foods anymore, or even worse, you're suffering with pain. Well, then you have to meet up with this man right here, Dr. Kevin Gasser of Gasser Dental Implants, and two very happy patients joining us this morning. We have David and Patty Wells. Thank you both for being here. Dr. Gasser, first of all, I want to start with you because you do something that is very unique here at your practice. It's called the All-on-4.
Yes.
Tell us, what is that, and how does it help us have better teeth, better oral health?
Sure. So the All-on-4 is a life-changing dental implant procedure for patients that have missing teeth or failing teeth, infections, cavities, that kind of thing. We use IV sedation for the comfort and peace of mind, and the latest technology we place gently and strategically at least 4 implants in each jaw, and that supports, anchors permanently anchored teeth in one surgical visit by one dentist in one office, and it changes lives both on a social and psychological level, but especially medically speaking, health-wise, because the removal of all the infection.
Exactly, exactly. And that brings me to David and Patty, because the two of you together, you're a married couple, and we're experiencing failing teeth and the infections and things like that. And you came to Dr. Gasser because you just couldn't take the pain anymore either, Patty. Tell me about that.
Yes, it was time. And the great part about it is Dave and I were experiencing the same issues, and we were blessed that we wanted to do this together. And so yes, my teeth were failing. I was fortunate that, well, not fortunate, I wish I had done it sooner, but my infection and my pain was from the back. So the front part of my teeth really weren't visibly, noticeably. I wasn't ready to get that, to even deal with that procedure. Probably call it denial.
So it was kind of a silent suffering that you were going through, right?
It was a silent suffering, and then eventually both Dave and I realized that we had to deal with it.
Yeah. Now, you told me your biggest concern, though, moving forward, well, you had several, but you couldn't afford to have any downtime. You're a working realtor, and this was important to you. No pain and no downtime.
That's right. That's right. And I had previous dental experiences that weren't favorable, and that disabled me from working for at least a week or two. And I didn't want to go through that again.
I don't blame you. And David, because you are a couple and you did the research together, you told me you did a deep dive into finding the right dentist. What was it about Dr. Gasser that made you come in to see him?
Well, in my research, I was concerned that a lot of dental operations were chain operations, and you were going to be subject to the dentist of the day when you went in. And when you'd go back, there was a different dentist there, and that was unacceptable to me.
You were not having that.
I was not having that.
So you came in to see, both of you came in to see Dr. Gasser, and you shared with me that the staff and everybody here was amazing. And you also, I know you did your due diligence, you talked to other dentists as well. So you finally chose Dr. Gasser. I want to know from you, Patty, when you look in the mirror, tell me how you feel now.
I feel confident, I feel beautiful, and I feel more youthful, and I feel more confident now. I'm in front of people a lot, and I was self-conscious. I learned how to move my mouth and hide my dental pain and
no more pain, though.
That's right.
No
that's
more
right.
pain. And David, tell me how you feel about making the choice that you made.
Oh, I think it's absolutely wonderful. I was concerned about the procedures and the pain, and Dr. Gasser, I said, look, you're going to cut my gums to pull my teeth out. That's going to hurt. He said, no, look at it this way. If you have a splinter and it hurts, and you pull the splinter out, the pain is gone. And I thought that was amazing, and it's true.
And it's true. The proof is in the smile here. Right. I'd like to have you say something else, but I think they said it all for you, right?
Yes.
All right. Here's a special offer. For the first 25 callers who use code 15 will get a free iCat scan and no obligation consultation and $500 off any implant treatment plan. Gasser Dental Implants is located at 17220 North Boswell Boulevard, Suite 200 West in Sun City. Call 623-972-8217 or visit the website drgasser.com.